Yo, Jack from JRC. Today we've got an unboxing video for you. Very exciting. So we've had this package sent a few months ago. We entered something called Built with Bosch, which is Bosch's scheme of getting their tools tested by professionals. Obviously we are the most professional. But yeah, we've been selected, which is awesome news. So we'll open it up and let's have a look what they've sent. So the first thing we've got in the box is obviously the drill. And this drill is Bosch's Professional GBH 18 volt 34 CF, and it's their bi-turbo brushless, and it is an absolute beast. Obviously you've got all your selections on here for rotary hammer on its own, rotary stop, everything like that the normal SDSs come with, obviously. And then on the back we've got some little features, so you can press this button, change the features. Obviously when I know a bit more about it and I've had a play with it and I read through the instructions, I can tell you a bit more. But yeah, it looks absolutely mint. Nice weight to it as well. Looks like it's some right damage. So yeah, that's the first thing. Very nice. Second, we've got the battery. This is the Procore 18 volt 8 amp battery. Now the batteries we're used to using are around 5 amp, so this should go forever. So hopefully that's mint as well. They've sent us their GIL 3680 CV charger. So we'll get that plugged in a bit, get them charged up. We've got a selection of their expert drill bits. We've got 5.5 up to 8mm. Nice. And then they've sent us some SDS bits. Whoa, don't drop them though, because they'll hurt you. But yeah, there's a good selection here. We've got an 18mm, which is, says 250 to 300 millimeters, so I presume that's the 50, that's the 250, making through. So yeah, we've got that one. We've got one of their Bosch Expert carbide 16mm, which is 400mm long. Look at the ends on that. That looks really good. Really good. I can't wait to give them a go. And then we've got 400mm 24 bit and a 400mm 20mm bit. The ends on them look beast. So yeah, we've also got a t-shirt. Love a t-shirt. Proud Built with Bosch tester. Built with Bosch, Bosch on the arm. Very nice. We'll get that on. So yeah, I'm going to have a read through the instructions, set it up, get it charged up, and see how she performs. Because I know one thing for sure, if anyone can break anything, it's me. So if this lasts, it's mint and well worth the purchase. So yeah, thank you very much to Bosch for choosing us. And if you don't follow them already, follow their Instagram and Facebook, Bosch Pro UK, and follow the hashtag Built with Bosch. And they regularly do it, and you can apply. Obviously, if you're lucky, like us, you get selected. Nice.